Hi, in this video I am going to discuss how to form arrays in Latex. Now let's see how to construct arrays. First start with the command slash begin array justification and end with slash end array. In between the array contains or presence. Now this justifications will be in L or C. L for left justification, R for right justification and C for center justification. Now the ampersand symbol separate the column entries and two backslashes end each line. If your array is a matrix, you can surround it with large parentheses, that is slash left and slash right. Now let's see the example. Here the example is f of a comma b comma c is equal to abc, bca and cba. Now we are going to see how we are going to obtain these equations. So start with slash begin equations. Then f of a comma b comma c is equal to the brackets. We start with slash left. Then the array is slash begin array and RCL for the justifications. Then we are writing A ampersand for the column separator ABC and end with two backslashes end of the row. Similarly writing the second rows and third rows and end with the end array commands, and to get this bracket slash right slash then end equations, then execute the equations, then obtain the final equation in Latex. Now let's see how to make a simple 2 into 2 array. First start with the slash begin equation and f is equal to slash left, then brackets, open brackets, then slash begin arrays. That is two columns are there, so 2c. Then 11, the first entries are 11 ampersand 2 end with backslashes, then 3 ampersand 4 backslashes, then end array and the brackets slash right closed brackets, then slash end equations. Execute the commands and get the expression, get the array equation like this. Dots, slash C dots for center height dots, slash D dots for diagonal dots which occur in matrices. Now slash L dots for lower height dots, slash V dots for vertical dots. Now let's see how to use dots in the equations. Now start the equations with begin equation, then label the equation with chapter 1 and equation number is 31. Now we are starting with the equation xi power k is equal to v reference 1, v reference 2, then c dots, v reference I, then c dots and v reference n. So execute the commands, then get the output equations like this. Now in these equations, start with begin equations, then label the equation, chapter 1 equation 1, now start f of x equal to x of 1, comma x of 2, x of 3, then slash dots equation, then x of n. So slash dots provides dots in between the equations. Dots in the array. Now we will see how to obtain these dots in the array. So begin equations, then left slash left brackets, then begin array. This is one column, this is another column, and this is third column. So three C's are represented, and first entries and the second entries are slash C dots and the third entries. And for vertical dots, V dots and D dots and B dots. Then here the third entry is A3, C dots and A4. Then end array and end brackets with the slash right C and end equations. Execute the equations and we will get the array with the dots like this. Here first we are starting the equation with the begin equations, then vertical bar x is equal to slash left, open bracket and begin array, two columns, so LR, the first value is minus x and the second value is x less than or equal to 0. It's given us x to ampersand. The next data is x slash g 0 and backslashes. Then right and close the brackets and end equations. So execute the commands and get the output array like this. Thank you.